Alright, good morning. Continuing with my Drawabox assignments and homeworks, I'll be working on the next assignment known as RoughPerspective. So first I'm going to start making a frame here. Okay, next we're going to do this in the center. So we're going to be doing this in 1-point perspective. And what I'm going to do is to ghost in some boxes. So we have our one plane there. Then we're going to take an edge, ghost it towards it, stop, and then we're going to put 1, 2, 3. Complete the box roughly in perspective and draw through it. So that's what I have to do first. Let's do about 2 more of these. Let's make a tall one here. Rough there, so I know that's going to be there. That's going to be here, and that corner's going to be there. That. 2. Oh, and there. Let's put another one here. Okay, so if I'm going that way, that means it's going to come there. That's going to come over there. So connect that, connect that, connect that, connect that. Yeah, I don't think I'd see that edge. So that one would go there. And let's do one above the horizon line. That goes there, so that point's there. Meaning that point would come there. Somewhere around there. So I'm going to connect that, connect that, connect that over to the corner. And roughly that should be there and then show. Okay, so now that we have our boxes, so now that we do have our boxes, what we can do now is take a different colored pen, and from where we ghosted out where our perspective is, we're going to take our straight edge and actually line it up to where and see where it actually hits on our horizon line. So let's start with this guy here. The point is not to match it up to the vanishing point itself, it's to where we estimated and see where it's going. So for example, let's take this box here. As you can see, that one's actually going there. So if I line this up and extrapolate that one, it's almost at the vanishing point. This corner is almost at the vanishing point, but it's slightly off. If I do this one here, as you can see, it goes all the way over here. Okay. Let's try this smaller one here. This one kind of made it to the vanishing point because it was closer. Let me try. And this one hits here, and this corner would actually go off to that edge that I could see. once more the one at the top. Okay, that one actually intersected. How about the bottom ones? The bottom ones actually hit here. And if I go this way, and over here, and if I did this corner here, right there, and finally the big guy. That one actually slightly just went over. Oh, I forgot to connect this guy back here. And this one would go right there. This one will go right there. And finally this corner would go here. So I'm going to repeat this maybe one more time. I'm probably going to repeat this 2 more times. One at to really solidify it. So let's try again, shall we? So let's quickly make another frame. No, let me make 2 frames. Again, this is just, I'm using this as part of my warm-up this morning. I still have the organic perspective I'm going to work on next. That'll be fun. And also boxes in rotation I will try attempting next. So, let's see. So just try this one with a lower horizon line. I'm not really rotating the page, but that's the corner I want there, so I know that one's going to be there. Now that one's probably going to be there, so this one's logically going to be here. So, let's try slowly connecting these with their parallel lines. It's coming off there. So that's my first box. Always remember to draw through your boxes. Let's try one here. I'll leave it on the horizon line. See where that goes. And ghosting. Can't really ghost that. So if I go over here, that would be one. So let's try and connect that to that. So I know my corner is going to be somewhere down here, down here, down here. And we'll just bring this back a bit. So that's our second box. Let's put one a little beneath, going a little bit beneath the horizon line. Let's ghost it like that. So if that's the case, I know I'll need one here to get that there, get that there, to get that there. One here is for my corner, my edge match up roughly as best as I can. Another corner. Let's project, let's project this one out. Okay, and then let's make a box beneath here. See how this would go. Okay, and that goes there, and that goes there. Okay, box, projection off. So we have our 4 boxes, same principle. Now let's see how I roughed this. So that's actually going there. This corner's again almost touching it from this corner. That one's going there, and this corner would go there. This guy's right on the line, so that's where it's going. Our bottom one does intersect with the bottom vanishing point though. What about this one? In parallel. When it's way off over here. And this one will be crossing across that line. This was a shorter one again. Line it up. Again, I managed to approximate it. But that's really the only one that's there, since the rest are on the horizon line. Maybe I hope as I continue to do these exercises in practice, I will be better at explaining them. And the reason I'm so low right now is because I'm using my StreamCam microphone, and I have a very loud and deep voice, so I'd rather not try and blow out the audio. So maybe it sounds like I'm whispering to myself, like the psychotic person that I am. Great. That goes there. And that goes there. And once more over here. And I think I'll leave this at my first page, at my full page for this. And the next one I'm going to be working on is organic perspective.